How to fix WhatsApp video message option not available problem. This might be issue for some of the users who have been using WhatsApp. So watch this video till the end so that you will get solution for this issue. First of all, you have to go to Play Store and check whether there is any updates for WhatsApp or not. Then on the search bar you need to search WhatsApp. Since we won't see or we cannot see here the update button, that means we don't have any update of WhatsApp. If you haven't yet updated your WhatsApp application, then you will find the option of update where you simply need to tap on it, and then once updated you need to tap on open button and open the application. Once you have updated the WhatsApp application, make sure to log in on your WhatsApp account. Then open any chat and then you need to tap on this record icon which is next to camera icon and check whether the WhatsApp video message option has been available or not. When we tap on it, we don't see any video message option even though we have updated the application. So let's come back from here and tap on three dots at the top right corner of the screen, and from this drop down menu box select settings, then go to chats. On the chat, here you need to find the option of instant video messages, but here also we don't see any option here. So the only option left to do is you need to contact WhatsApp. For that, on the settings page go to help, then choose the help center. Wait for a while, then on this help topics you need to select chats, and then on this help center you need to select video notes. Then here you need to select the option which will be suitable. So here are different options available. We just need to select any one. Let's select about video notes. Here is some article that will help us to know about the video notes and how to do or how to record it. So let's select on contact us button at the bottom right corner, and here you need to contact the WhatsApp support team. Then you can also copy what I have written here. Once you have contact the WhatsApp support team or written the issue, you need to tap on the next button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then after that, tap on send my question to WhatsApp support at the bottom of the screen. As we can see that we have got a message from WhatsApp support. So you need to tap on this article link given here. So let's tap on it, which is highlighted in blue. Then you'll be access to this help center page where you can see the video notes. There is the two link that is about how to send video notes and how to play video notes. So let's select how to send video notes. So you can choose the device which is Android or iOS. Then you can see the steps to send a video note, and then you can go through all of this. If it is not helpful for you, let's select no button and tap on the solution does not work. Here you need to again type a issue description, then again tap on the next button. Then here once you have described the issue, you can tap on submit button. So we have successfully sent the report to WhatsApp support team. So after few hours or after 24 hours we will get notified about this by WhatsApp, and then it will help us to fix this issue of WhatsApp video message option not available. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, subscribe it for more updates.